You can apply to Rent Guarantor by going onto the website and you click on the button that lets you apply. Pop in some basic details, including what your situation is, your monthly rental budget. You get an instant quote on the screen, and then you can decide to go ahead and make the application. So Rent Guarantor carries out checks on tenants when they apply. They will do a soft credit check. So we look for CCJs, IVAs, that kind of thing. Not usually a problem. We also ask them to connect to open banking so that we can do an affordability check as well. And we're just making sure that the rent is affordable. Approval of an application can vary. It depends on each application. But on average, it takes between 24 and 48 hours. When the application is approved, the applicant will receive an email to notify them, and then the agent will receive an email with an online agreement for signing. Once they've signed and added the tenancy start date, it automatically goes to the tenant to sign as well. They then pay their fee, and that completes the application.